Hello friends, and welcome to this course on Salesforce Analytics. Basically, when we talk about analytics means data which makes some sense through which we can get some information. Okay, so in Salesforce we have reports and dashboard which we can use to analyze our sales data and all. So reports are primarily built in Salesforce. The most common scenario is based on leads. How many leads have been generated? How many leads have been converted? Okay, so this is the most common which every Salesforce user which is working into sales, they use the reports for. Then I have done a couple of projects. Like one of my client, he was using DocuSign, so for getting the contract signed online. So I built a report for him that when the document was sent, when it was received, when it was signed, how many documents have been signed, a customer have signed how many documents, how many contracts does a customer has. So these kind of reports were there. Like people who are using CPQ type of things, quotes, quotations and all. So they take the reporting on the quotation status. Has the quotation been approved? Has the quotation been submitted? How many quotation was submitted in this month and how many got approved? Similarly, as I told you, how many lead got converted into an opportunity. So a lot of projects where the requirement was that every lead is assigned to an account manager. So how many lead does an account manager punch in the Salesforce in a coming month, and how many of them actually got converted into opportunity? So these are some common kind of scenarios. So in Salesforce means reporting is the one of the most powerful features, and which helps to demonstrate value to the business. And building key reports fast is a very vital skill which every administrator or Salesforce user or business user should possess. Okay, so in this course we will talk about reports, dashboard, types of reports, types of dashboard. Dashboards are nothing. Dashboards are the pictorial representation of the reports. Okay, so to create a dashboard, report becomes the source of the data. Okay, a dashboard cannot be created on its own. A dashboard can only be built on a report. So report is mostly in a chart form, in an Excel kind of form, and then dashboard is a pictorial or graphical kind of representation. We will see that in this course, not to worry. And apart from that, we will also talk about custom report types, because we know in Salesforce we have relationships between two objects, but a lot of time uh, when we want to report on multiple relationships or some objects which do not have relationship, these kind of scenarios, how can we achieve by custom report type? Okay, then we will talk about those formulas and all, filters and custom formulas, summary formulas and all. We will talk about that as well, means formatting. We will also see the analytical snapshot. When we report on historical data, we schedule an analytical snapshot to be inserted in an object, and then we create a report on that. So let's say I leave my office at 6 p.m. in the evening, and then tomorrow morning I come again at 9 a.m. and I want to see what was the status at 8 p.m. yesterday, so I can schedule an analytical snapshot. Now these reports can be created and ran manually. If we go to reports, so a user could be given access to the report folder, and then he can come to report, he click on the report and he can click on run. But what we can also do, we can automatically schedule a report to run at a particular time and email that report to the user. So we can even do that in Salesforce. There are a lot of good things in reports and dashboards here. Okay, so primarily this course will completely cover types of reports, whatever types of reports we have, some common business scenarios wherein reports can be used, some other scenarios which I will share as per my experience, types of reports I have created for different customers, and then we will work on dashboards as well, and we will see what other advanced features are available to build on our knowledge. Okay, so meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, all the best.